Intelligence reports suggest that Indonesian engineers might not be the real masterminds behind the day-to theft of the South Korean KF-21 fighter program, and it is highly plausible that the US might be keeping tabs on the KF-21 program, so that the KF-21 doesn't interfere with the F-35 export market. Chinese military general He Weidong, the second-ranked vice chairman of China's powerful Central Military Commission, has said that the Chinese Army's much-publicized combat-oriented exercises are fake combat capabilities, and he questioned the quality of the Chinese military equipment. Turkey has started imparting military training to Maldivian defense forces. The Indian Navy is all set to deploy Brahmos extended-range coastal missile batteries at its new INS Jatayu naval base. That will be followed by upcoming Rafale marine aircraft. HALCON, a joint working group formed by Hindustan Aeronautics and Container Corporation of India, has entered the business of handling strategic air cargo exports, and the first flight destined to Armenia was inaugurated yesterday. India's Border Security Force is considering to acquire at least 2 C-295 aircraft to transport troops and cargo. The Coast Guards of India and the United States conducted a joint exercise off the coast of Port Blair that simulated drone attacks on merchant vessels. As per latest media reports, the first flight of the Tejas MK1A aircraft will happen in mid-March, that is likely to be witnessed by Prime Minister Modi. The Tejas MK1A first sortie will have a limited flight profile, because the flight control software that flew on Tejas Limited Series production aircraft didn't have the capability of a refueling probe, while all the production aircraft are equipped with the same. The report also says that many systems are still under various stages of certification, which according to experts, is not a great sign considering the production rate HAL needs to chase, and many potential export customers would be keeping an eye on the progress. An Indian Navy team is set to visit the facilities of Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems this month to inspect the Type 214 submarines offered under Project 75I tender. The Navy will inspect the Type 212 submarine that is equipped with their independent propulsion system, whose pressure hull and the core is built with non-magnetic steel that enhances stealth capabilities. Spain will also demonstrate its AIP system in the next few months, and the successful inspection process will pave the way for further negotiations. India has issued a no-time warning for a range of 155 kilometers for the period between 19th March and 21st March, and it could be the test of the 160 kilometers range Astra Mk2 air-to-air missile from Su-30 aircraft, which has already achieved crucial milestones, including static firing without guidance, that validated its propulsion capabilities. Chances are that the Astra Mk2 will now be tested in full configuration, involving firings against towed targets at various ranges, to validate accuracy, range and performance. The Indian Army has started the process of raising 2 new regiments of the Pinaka multiple launch rocket system along the northern borders with China. The training for personnel in the 2 new regiments is currently underway, and the raising will be completed within the next 6 months. India has delivered an order of 4 Pinaka batteries worth 2,000 crore rupees to Armenia, and Indonesia and Nigeria are also in talks to procure the Pinaka system to boost their firepower. Today's top 3 comments.